Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So first of all, thank you for joining our discussion today. So as we know, our goal is to talk about just one major challenge we have faced as students and explore possible solutions for handling it better in the future. So first of all, we will decide just one aspect of a journey as a student to us focus on. Anyone can suggest their opinion about one aspect we going to discuss?
Hello. So my name is Azrul Haziq bin Azman. So to answer your question, what is the aspect, the biggest, what is the aspect as a student? For me, I think as a student we have challenge in time management because besides you enter the class and focus for the academic, you need to focus for extra curriculum, which is you must take part in a program. You must to explore yourself and you need to boost your potential. Uh, like example, you can enter the acting class, you can enter the speech class, and then maybe you can take a part in some programs, which is the community program and college program. So that's for me. That's from me about the one of aspect as a university student.
Okay, for me, the biggest challenge for students is about transportation because this transportation problem is more experienced by students who live outside the university. Like us, the year two, we live outside Avakasa apartment, not in college. So without transportation, we maybe can delay in reaching class or academic activity. So delay in public transportation or traffic congestion can cause students to arrive late for class or academic program. So this result, student will missing out important learning opportunities and then impacting the academic performance. Like us, we have many programs that we join, and as as a student, we need to more like what uh, like we need to more active in the program. So transportation can make uh can make what are you can make we cannot reach that place. Means like if we left outside and then we don't have transportation, we have need to pay e-hailing or maxim, and then that make a high cost in living in life in university. So I think transportation is important for student. Uh, for student yang that life in rural area that's no have transportation like a bus. Okay, that's for me.
So how about you, Milda and or Erma? Are you guys have own opinion?
No.
Okay. Since the student, uh, since we have chosen to focus many aspect, so let's think about just one. Let's think about just one aspect we would like to discuss. So for me, I think we would like to touch about financial management because it's just easy, but financial management is a common problem among students. Did you agree? Are you guys agree with that?
Alright. Okay. So I agree with you, Kafid. Which is your opinion is about the biggest challenge for the university student is financial. Which is I am from Peninsula of Malaysia, which is Negeri Sembilan, and from Seremban. So uh, I need to plan my financial, which is I need to plan for flight tickets, my my savings. So one of the solution I think is as a Peninsula student, you must to have a part-time job, which is you can be a tutor for online class, uh, teach SPM students. So from the part-time job, you will get the money, and you can build a plan to saving your money for the emergency time, and then uh, you can saving for your important things. So I think the financial is the biggest challenge for university student for me. That's all.
So how about the others?
Okay, for me, financial is the biggest challenge that students experience. So to solve this problem, we can create a monthly budget and stick to spending limits. So we can prepare a clear budget for monthly expense such as food, transportation, academic supply, and entertainment. So with this budget, student can plan their spending and avoid overspending. So student can manage their financial, not not buy something that don't they don't really need. So I think we need to manage our we make like like a chart, but we need to we need to list the something, list the something that we want to buy, but maybe can use the apps that apps can make a list, make a like how how the price of that something that. So we need to compare like we compare like this convenience and other convenience. So can that we can see we can buy something like more cheap from other. So it's my from me. So
Okay.
how about you guys, Milda and Irma? I think I can. What about
Okay.
your opinion?
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, for me, financial is the biggest challenge of apa, one of the student challenge is the cost of education. As we already know that every student has a fee that they have to pay for their study, and also they also must consider other costs like food, transportation, and others. That's all from me.
My opinion, financial the biggest challenge that have been encountered of training as a student because uh, uh, a student, sometimes student depend heavily on parents' finances and part-time work. But, so financial the biggest challenge.
So I clear that our group is going to make a point that the biggest challenge is about handling financial management. And for me, uh, the solution is about we can create an emergency fund. So to make this to make this these things being successful, why not we can take first step in allocating an emergency fund to assess one monthly expenses comprehensively. Maybe it can be involves calculating essential such as living costs, rent, utilities, and the others. So for me, it's the solution to handling this kind of problem. So I think that's all. That's all from our topic today. So thank you for joining our discussion today.